Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on this platform, so please like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. Once again, welcome. My name is Ruthie and this is my makeover section. Enjoy yourself as you watch. So first and first, I'll be wiping my face with my face wipe. Yeah, and I'm doing this because my face is oily, and that's due to the fact that I'm an oily skin person. And yeah, that's it. I just have to wipe my face. So whenever I'm having anything on my face, it's not going to. Oh, sorry, it's going to last longer. Let me use that one. And yeah, so afterwards I'll be using my face primer, which is the Huda Beauty primer I'm having. Yeah, it's almost finished, but so I still have something in there. Yeah, and basically that is what I'm using. And after having my primer on the face, I'm gonna scrub it and also so I said it earlier on, I was having an oily skin, and that is the result I'm having right here. The first eye pencil I was using wasn't showing, so I had to change it to the other one and have my brow done. And I'll be drawing 4 lines at the front just like this and be leaving the space there. So let me have the other one done. Okay, so I'll be filling the brow with this ADS waterproof liner. Yeah, and using it in respect to my eyebrow filler because I just like the dark shade it gives me. It makes the brow look natural kind of, and afterwards I'll be brushing through to make it look more original or more natural. Yeah, sorry, natural is the word, not original. Pardon me. As basically that is what I'm doing right here, and yeah, that's it. So I'll be highlighting it. Oh, I don't have the perfect shade for my concealer, so I'll be mixing my pro concealer with my foundation so I can get the perfect shade I want for my eyebrow, because I don't want it to be too light if I'll be using just the highlighter I'm having, which is the pro concealer. It will be too light for my eyebrow, so I'll be mixing it with my foundation so I can have the perfect shade I want. And I'll be using it with my angle brush, which is the naked angle brush. I don't know the number, so please don't ask me. So yeah, that's just the thing. Yeah, and when you're contouring, when you're concealing or highlighting your brow, make it gently so you don't highlight your brow, when you're highlighting, so you don't miss the line and then go into the brow you've drawn. Well, even if you mix the line, you can go back to step 2 or step 3. Yeah, step 3 basically to fill your eyebrow again. So after highlighting my both brows, I like to highlight the top, so I don't want to use the highlighter mixture that I'm having right there, so I'm just going to use just the foundation. So I like the top, and I'm doing it gently just as I'm doing in the video. after having my brows, I go directly to my foundation, and I'm using it with my beauty blender. So I'm just going to add little version of the foundation to the beauty blender and then just tap it through my face in 360. Just tap in 360 degree. So I'll be going with my V Beauty palette, and I'll be going with the brown shade for my transition, and that's just it. And my transition is just under my eyebrow. That's it. Here I'm having a clone white, which I'm just going to be tapping around my eyes where I really want it to be. It's optional though, but I'm just adding it right there. So after having my shadows, I'm just gonna blend it through with my transition to make it look smooth. this part of this eyeliner can be a bit trickish. It's not usually what you expect to get. So what I do is I just go in whatever shape I'm having and fill it. I go from the bottom to the top and fill it. Afterwards, I'll be using my wipe to adjust it and getting the perfect shape I want. Some people likes it to be broad, dark, up, but I just prefer my own to be moderate, kind of. Yeah. So right here, I'm just gonna correct the liner with my wipes. The excess I'm having, I'm just gonna wipe it off, and afterwards, I will I'll be blending it with my beauty blender to just tapping the places that has been wiped while I was correcting the eyeliner. So right now I have both my eyes fixed and it makes my eyes look smaller. Okay, so moving to the next one. Remember the excess highlighting I was having for the brow? I will be using the leftovers for my down eyes, my forehead and my mouth jaw. I'll be using it as my normal highlighter, and yeah, that's it basically. And after, I will be blending it through. Yeah. sorry, please forgive my text, they are kind of slow. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just setting my face with a setting powder, putting it in the area where I have highlighted before. Also forgive my lighting, it's kind of going too bright and dull at the same time, so please forgive it. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just brushing out the excess powder I'm having and fix my lashes. I'll powdering the contour part, yeah, and using my MAC powder to touch the remaining places, and yeah, that's all. So with this few steps, I think we've achieved a better look, and we can call it a day and call it a tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed yourself just as much as I enjoy showing you guys how I go about my daily makeup, my outing makeup, wedding, church, and anything whatsoever makeup. And yeah, so that's it. So I really don't want to talk much, which I know I have. So yeah, let me just stop here and enjoy the rest of the show. And yeah, that's it. So we'll just be using the finishing spray. I think that's the last thing to do. So sink in all the combinations I have on my face and make all sink in. And yeah, that's it. So please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.